Hey everyone! Welcome back to Glow Within. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 amazing DIY masks that will help you achieve that glass skin look. You know, that smooth, flawless, and radiant complexion we all dream of. Well, you don't need to spend a fortune on expensive products to get it. With just a few simple, natural ingredients, you can create these masks at home and see fantastic results. So, let's get started. Hydrating Honey and Avocado Mask. This mask is perfect for deeply moisturizing your skin. 1 ripe avocado, 1 tablespoon of honey. Mash the avocado until smooth, then mix in the honey. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 15-20 minutes before rinsing with warm water. This mask will deeply hydrate and nourish your skin. Avocado is rich in healthy fats and vitamins that provide intense moisture, while honey has antibacterial properties and locks in hydration. Brightening Turmeric and Yogurt Mask. This one is fantastic for evening out your skin tone and adding a natural glow. 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of honey. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and brightening properties that help even out skin tone, while yogurt contains lactic acid that gently exfoliates and smoothens the skin. Honey adds hydration and antibacterial benefits. Exfoliating Coffee and Coconut Oil Mask. For those who love a good exfoliation, this mask is perfect. 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Mix the coffee grounds with the coconut oil to form a paste. Gently massage the mixture onto your face in circular motions and leave it on for 10-15 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. This mask exfoliates and invigorates your skin. Soothing Aloe Vera and Cucumber Mask. This mask is ideal for calming and hydrating your skin. 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel, 1/2 cucumber. Blend the cucumber to a smooth consistency and mix it with the aloe vera gel. Apply to your face and leave it on for 15-20 minutes. Rinse off with cool water. Aloe vera is known for its soothing and healing properties, while cucumber provides a cooling effect that reduces puffiness and hydrates the skin. This mask is perfect for calming irritated or sunburned skin. Papaya and Honey Mask. This mask is fantastic for rejuvenating your skin. 1/2 cup of mashed ripe papaya, 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix the mashed papaya with honey until smooth. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 15-20 minutes before rinsing with warm water. Papaya contains natural enzymes that exfoliate dead skin cells, promoting a brighter complexion. Honey hydrates and soothes the skin, leaving it soft and smooth. Green tea and rice flour purifying mask. For a purifying treatment, try this mask. 1 tablespoon of brewed green tea, cold, 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Mix the green tea with the rice flour to form a paste. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 15-20 minutes before rinsing with warm water. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that protect the skin from damage and reduce inflammation, while rice flour exfoliates and purifies the skin, leaving it smooth and clear. Strawberry and Yogurt Brightening Mask. This brightening mask is perfect for adding a natural glow to your skin. 3-4 ripe strawberries, 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Mash the strawberries and mix them with the yogurt. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 10-15 minutes before rinsing with warm water. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C, which helps brighten the skin and reduce blemishes, while yogurt contains lactic acid that gently exfoliates and smooths the skin. Remember, consistency is key. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Glow Within for more skincare tips and glow up guides. Comment down below which mask you're most excited to try, and let me know your results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.